However, in reality, the dash of truancy and dash are diverse and multifaceted. Blanks are too early in the passage. We should be reading the next sentence because truancy will be a difficult word, so we cannot understand what is the topic. There are as many causes of non-attendance as there are non-attenders. Each child has his or her dash story, own story, and whilst there may be certain identifiable factors in common, each non-attending child demands and dash an individual response. So they are talking about non-attendance means absenteeism in children. So here we can say there are many grounds, basis, effect or causes of truancy. If we don't understand truancy, so non-attendance is the topic going on here. So we can generally say there are many causes of non-attendance. Basically meaning there are many reasons for children not coming, for the children being absent. There cannot be grounds, basis. First of all, basis is singular. Here there can be many causes. They said they are. Are means we need a plural noun here. Effect and basis are singular nouns. Grounds and causes are two plural nouns. And for non-attendance, not coming to school, let's say, we don't say what is the ground for not coming. Ground means basis. We say what is the reason for not coming. Reason and cause are the same. So causes, we needed a plural noun because are is plural here. The causes of non-attendance, because non-attendance is the topic. Each child has his or her own dash story. So own story is complete. Still we have a blank means we need an adjective because story is a noun. Sole, single, exclusive or unique. So every child has a different story for not coming to school. So different would be unique. Exclusive is used for like once something really different from the all other things, that is called exclusive. Like we generally brands have exclusive collection, means different from what they generally manufacture. So here for stories it's better to go for everybody has a different unique story, and while there may often be certain identifiable factors in common, each non-attending child demands and dash an individual response. So child is singular, demands is a verb with s, and dash means we also need a verb with s, and there is only one. Demands and deserves an individual response tailored to meet his or her individual needs. This applies equally to a 14-year-old who fails to attend school because a parent is terminally ill, the overweight 11-year-old who fails to attend because he is dash about changing for PE in front of others. Who is dash? So we are talking about an overweight child, so he must be embarrassed, mortified, discomfited or humiliated for changing for PE in front of the peers. So because of his weight, we generally what we say, because of his weight he is embarrassed in front of others. What we have here is humiliated, the spellings are wrong. Mortified and discomfited is not used in this context. They also mean embarrassed, but they are more used when you want to say to cause someone to feel embarrassed. So here and or otherwise discomfited means very strong embarrassment. So here we cannot decide whether it is being done by somebody or whether it is a strong embarrassment or not. We can simply say this person feels embarrassed about changing for PE in front of others because of his weight.